Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mr. John. I want to introduce myself. My name is Mafaria Feriani, and my friends.
I'm Yuliani.
We want to explain about Unit 1. I'm nurse and progressive care. In this presentation, we will explain about daily conversation, language daily, nursing vocabulary translation, pronunciation, reading, and exercise.
Daily conversation. Now we will practice the daily conversation. I'm as Amira and Vera Novaria as Janet. Situation. Amira is Janet's old friends. They have not met several years. Once upon a time, then they meet other. Hi, Janet. OMG, it has been a long time we don't meet. How are you?
Hi, Amira. Glad to meet you. I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine too. We have not met for years, and now you look different.
You're right. We haven't met since we graduated from senior high school.
Do you work in hospital, Janet?
Yes, I do. I'm a nurse of this hospital.
That sounds great. You must be very busy. Oh, sorry, itu salah ya, maksudnya busy. You must be very busy with your duty.
You're right. I must take care of patients, make sure that help doctors in curing patients, and many more.
Awesome. Anyway, do you enjoy your job?
Sure. It's my dreams to become a nurse, so I feel happy with my job.
Nice to hear that.
Anyway, I can't be longer any longer. I must be back to nurse station.
Sure. Good luck with your job, Janet.
Thank you, Amira. Language daily. Duties of nurse. Perform physical exam and health histories.
Itu adalah mengkaji pemeriksaan fisik dan riwayat kesehatan.
Provide health promotion, counseling, and education.
Pendidikan, kesehatan, konseling, dan edukasi.
Interpret patient information and make critical decision about needed action.
Memberikan informasi dan mendampingi keputusan yang dibutuhkan pasien.
Administer medication, wound care, and numerous other personalized interventions.
Memberikan medikasi, perawatan luka, dan sejumlah intervensi personal yang lain.
Coordinate care in collaboration with a wide array of the healthcare professionals.
Berkoordinasi dan berkolaborasi dengan profesi kesehatan lain.
Assess, observe, and record the patient behavior and the need for restraint.
Mengkaji, mengobservasi, dan mencatat perilaku dan kebutuhan saat pengikatan.
Communicate with patient and the family.
Berkomunikasi dengan pasien dan keluarga.
Create harmonious environment.
Menciptakan lingkungan yang harmonis dan aman untuk pasien. Next, diagnosing the disease by analyzing patient symptoms and taking required action for his or her recovery.
Mendiagnosis penyakit dengan menganalisa gejala pasien dan mengambil tindakan yang dibutuhkan pasien.
Maintain hygienic and safe working environment in compliance with the healthcare procedure.
Menjaga lingkungan kerja yang bersih dan aman sesuai prosedur kesehatan.
Adhere with the protocol, norms, rules, and regulation in order maintain complete medical record.
mematuhi protokol, norma, dan peraturan dalam memelihara catatan medis yang lengkap.
Provide emotional and physiological support to the patient and their families.
Memberikan dukungan emosional dan psikologis kepada pasien dan keluarga.
Coordinate with physician and other healthcare professional for creating and evaluating customized care plans.
Berkoordinasi dengan dokter dan profesi kesehatan lainnya untuk membuat dan mengevaluasi intervensi keperawatan.
Conduct research for improving the nursing practice and healthcare outcomes.
Berkontribusi dalam penelitian untuk meningkatkan praktik keperawatan dan pelayanan kesehatan. Nursing vocabulary and translation. It is units in hospital.
Accident and emergency, admission department, ambulatory units, anesthetic, cardiac medical surgical unit, central sterile supply department, critical care units, delivery room, dentistry unit, dialysis unit, doctor lung, nurse and throat, elderly service department, emergency room, health insurance, hematology or oncology and immunology unit, information center, inpatient, laboratory, laundry department, and maternity ward.
Medical ward, mental illness hospital, neonatal intensive care unit atau NICU, neurology and neurosurgical unit, nurse station, nutrition department, operating theater, orthopedic wards, pediatric care center, perinatology, pharmacy, polyclinic, psychiatry unit, respiratory unit, surgical ward, and X-ray department. There are hospital professional in hospital. Administrative staff, anesthetics, biomedical scientists, cardiologists, children nurse, computing staff, counselors, dentists, doctors, housekeepers, laboratory staff, nurses, pediatricians, psychologists, radiologists, and surgeons, and etc.
Pronunciation. How to speak to subword. Kita reading dulu ya. A nurse practitioner is a type of advanced practice registered nurse. If you are planning to become a nurse practitioner, now that you are reaching toward one of the highest positions in the nursing field, it takes a great deal of time, education, experience, and dedication to become a nurse of this sort. Like other nurses, nurse practitioners work to help accommodate and care for patients in the healthcare setting. However, most of the time, nurse practitioners have much more responsibility than other types of nurses. In fact, they are often in charge of supervising nursing professionals such as registered nurses and licensed practical nurses. They are also able to actively participate more in their patient care due to their increased clinical knowledge and patient care technique.
Nurse practitioners can also specialize in certain areas, much as physicians. Family nurse practitioners, for instance, deal with the general and physical health of patients. In contrast, pediatric nurse practitioners deal primarily with children, while geriatric nurse practitioners deal primarily with elderly patients. Other areas that nurse practitioners might specialize in include obstetrics, present progressive tense is also called the present continuous tense. The formulanya is subject plus be is am are plus verb ing. Number one, we can use to explain the idea that something is happening now at this moment. For example, we are learning English now. My mother is cooking dinner in the kitchen at this time. The gardener is working in the garden at present. Number two, we can use to express this longer action, not at this moment, but in progress. For example, she is studying to become a science teacher. We are working on a new project. I am learning to play guitar.
Number three, we can use to indicate that something will or will not happen in the near future. For example, you are starting work tomorrow. My sister is coming with us to the party tonight. Number three, I'm taking to the teacher after this lesson. And number four, we can use the tense with always, constantly, forever to describe the idea that something often happens in a negative sense. For example, she is always talking. Some students are constantly complaining about everything. And you are always coming to work late.
Kalau misalkan ininya I, berarti pakainya am. Kalau untuk negative sentencesnya pakainya I'm not atau I'm not. Kalau he, she, it atau nama orang pakainya is. Kalau negatifnya pakai is not. Kalau we, you, they atau nama dua orang atau lebih pakainya are, atau kalau negatifnya pakai are not. Kalau di sini kalau untuk verb ing-nya bila suatu terakhirnya itu terdiri dari konsonan, maka di double. Get, getting, sit, sitting, skip, skipping, swim, swimming. Untuk yang diakhiri huruf i atau ya, di kata lie sama die jadinya hilang e-nya. Jadi lying and dying. Kalau travel dan regret itu jadinya double juga, traveling, regretting gitu. Terus kalau yang first diakhiri dengan i juga, taking, making, shaking. Kalau yang it sama seperti biasa, eating, kissing, play, playing, go, going, do, doing, say, saying.